Hi guys, panibago na namang new earning application ng ating i-review. Ito nga po sa Terraform or Terraforma. So pagka-register nyo guys, may libre kayong 15 pesos. Then ang minimum investment is 190 pesos. Ang daily income niya is 30 pesos. Si Farmland 1. Si Farmland 2 naman is yung 490 pesos mo, kikita ng 105 pesos. Then, yung 990 pesos mo, kikita ng 150 pesos. Yung 1,990 mo, kikita ng 268 pesos. And so on, guys. No? So, ang pinakamalaking investment is 20,000. 4,996 ang daily income. No? So, yan po si Terraforma. So, ang minimum withdraw dito, guys, is that 90 pesos. No? Ayan, view withdrawal rules. 90 pesos ang minimum withdraw, 2% ang withdrawal fee, 24/7, 5 withdrawals per day. So, yan po si Terraform. So, yun guys, if you want to invest, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pin comment section ko yung aking link. And again, guys, invest what you can afford to lose lang, guys. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.